Welcome back to the QSUpali YouTube channel. I hope you have learned something from my previous videos. I wish to continue with this video to discuss the balance of primary items deemed necessary for pricing. I hope you have already downloaded the link to the BFQ uploaded in my previous videos 29 and 30. For your easy reference, I will upload the same here after the script of this video in the description box. 1. Site fencing. Hoarding or fencing is strong and self-supporting and designed to secure the site perimeter. The fencing costs vary depending on the material made from MDF board, plywood board or metal sheets. The most used material is the plywood board. The following calculation is for general estimation purposes only. This must not be used to guarantee an equal end figure of the hoarding cost. Example: assume the site is level. The height of the hoarding is constant throughout the length of the fencing is 247 meters. The cost of the overall length of the hoarding is estimated based on the cost of 1 linear meter of the length multiplied by the overall length of the hoarding. A sketch diagram is uploaded and attached in the description box. Estimate for 2.4 meter long by 2.4 meter high hoarding length. 1. Excavation. Excavation for pit foundation 400 mm by 400 mm depth not exceeding 1 meter. For working space at 600 mm on all sides of the footing edge equals 2 into 1.4 into 1.4 into 1 equals 3.92 meter cube. TBL excavator can dig up to 1.5 meter depth and excavate 150 cubic meter per 1 day. A. The higher cost of the TBL excavator per day equals 800 Qatar riyals. The cost of the excavation per 1 meter cube equals 800 Qatar riyal divided by 150 meter cube equals 5.33 Qatar riyal. Therefore, the cost of 3.93 meter cube of excavation equals 3.92 meter cube into 5.33 Qatar riyal equals 20.89 Qatar riyal. B. Diesel consumption is 80 liters per day for the excavation of 150 meter cube at 200 Qatar riyal per liter. The cost of diesel for the excavation of 1 cubic meter equals 80 liters divided by 150 meter cube into 2 Qatar riyal equals 1.07 Qatar riyal. Therefore, the cost of diesel for 3.92 meter cube equals 3.92 meter cube into 1.07 Qatar riyal equals 4.19 Qatar riyal. C. Operator cost 20 Qatar riyal per hour into 8 hours equal 160 Qatar riyal. TBL excavator hire cost per 1 cubic meter equals 160 Qatar riyal divided by 150 meter cube equal 1.07 Qatar riyal. Therefore, the cost of hire for 3.92 meter cube equals 1.07 into 3.92 meter cube equals 4.19 Qatar riyal. The cost of excavation equals 20.89 Qatar riyal, that is cost of TBL excavator, plus 1.07 Qatar riyal, that is cost of diesel, plus 4.19 Qatar riyal, that is cost of operator, equals 26.15 Qatar riyal. Backfilling with surplus excavation 5.12 meter cube minus 1 meter cube equals 4.12 meter cube. This is for temporary fencing and therefore we can use the surplus excavated material for backfilling and compacted to 95 of the material density with a plate compactor. 1 number unskilled labourer backfills earth 10 cubic meter per day. The cost of labour for backfilling per 1 cubic meter equals 8 Qatar riyals, that is cost per labour per hour into 8 hours divided by 10 meter cube equals 6.4 Qatar riyal. Therefore, the cost of backfilling for 4.12 meter cube equals 4.12 meter cube into 6.4 Qatar riyal equals 26.37 Qatar riyal. Cart away surplus excavated material equals 5.12 meter cube minus 4.12 meter cube equals 1 meter cube. The dump truck transport earth 14 cubic meter per trip at the rate of 400 Qatar riyal per 8 hours a day with a total number of 8 trips per day. The distance to the dump yard is to be assumed as 30 kilometers. The cost of transporting 14 cubic meter earth equals 400 Qatar riyal divided by 8 trips equals 50 Qatar riyal. Therefore, the cost of transporting 1 cubic meter earth equals 50 Qatar riyals divided by 14 meter cube equals 3.57 Qatar riyal. Diesel consumption 3 km per 1 litre at the rate of 2 Qatar riyal per litre. The diesel cost of 1 trip equals 2 into 30 km divided by 3 into 2 Qatar riyal equals 40 Qatar riyal. Therefore, the cost of diesel consumption for 1 cubic meter equals 40 Qatar riyal divided by 14 meter cube equals 2.86 Qatar riyal. Operator cost equals 20 Qatar riyal per hour. Therefore, the cost of operator per 1 cubic meter equals 20 Qatar riyal divided by 14 meter cube equals 1.43 Qatar riyal. Therefore, the cost of carting away surplus earth equals 3.57, transport cost 2.86, diesel cost plus 1.43, operator cost equals 7.86 Qatar riyal. Compacting area of backfill equals 1.6 into 1.6 minus 0.4 into 0.4 equals 2.4 meter squares. The plate compactor is used for the compact of the spread earth with an efficiency of 800 per hour. Fuel consumption is 1.5 liters per hour. 1 number operator. The cost of compaction for 1 meter squares equals 400 Qatar riyals, that is plate compactor high cost per day, divided by 8 hours divided by 800 meter squares equals 0.06 Qatar riyal. Therefore, the cost of compaction for 2.4 meter square equals 2.4 meter square into 0.06 Qatar riyal equals 0.14 Qatar riyal. The cost of fuel consumption for 1 meter square equals 1.5 liter into 2 Qatar riyal. Cost of diesel divided by 800 meter square equals 0.004 Qatar riyal. Therefore, the cost of diesel consumption for 2.4 meter square equals 2.4 meter square into 0.004 equals 1.01 Qatar riyal. The cost of the operator per 1 meter square equals 20 Qatar riyals cost per 1 hour divided by 800 meter squares equals 0.03 Qatar riyal. Therefore, the cost of operator for 2.4 meter square equals 2.4 meter squares into 0.03 equals 0.07 Qatar riyal. Therefore, cost of compaction equals 0.14, that is plate compactor higher cost, plus 0.01, that is diesel cost, plus 0.07, that is operator cost, equals 0.22 Qatar riyal. Foam work equals 2 into 40 plus 40 into 2 into 1 equals 3.2 meter square. As per the previous video number 14, foam work for 200 mm by 200 mm by 3 meter high column equals 2.4 meter square foam work. The size of the plywood board 18 mm thick is 1.2 meter by 2.4 meter equals 2.88 meter squares. Therefore, one sheet is required equals 120 cutter real per sheet. 50 mm by 50 mm timber bracing at 500 mm centers, 7 numbers required equals 2 into 0.2 plus 0.05 plus 0.05 plus 2 into 0.2 equals 1 into 7 equals 7 meter into 30 cutter reals per meter equals 210 cutter real. Labor for fabrication of formwork equals 2.9 hours per meter square into 2.4 meter square equals 6.96 hours into 2 number carpenters into 15 cutter real per hour equals 208.8 cutter real. Allow for tools, clamps, wedges, nails and props equals 20 cutter real. The cost for 2.4 meter square formwork equals 112 plus 210, that is material cost, plus 208.8, that is labor cost, plus 20, that is tool cost, equals 588.8 cutter real. Usually it is assumed that the material cost can be reused 5 times. Therefore, the total cost is to be divided by 5 to determine the final cost. To determine the cost per meter square, the final cost is to be divided by 2.4 meter square. Therefore, for 1 meter square formwork equals 588.8 divided by 5 equals 117.76 divided by 2.4 meter squares equal 49.07 cutter real per meter square. The cost of formwork equals 2 into 0.4 plus 0.4 into 2 into 1 equals 3.2 meter squares into 49.07 equals 157.02 cutter real. Mass concrete SRC 20 Newton for the footing equals 2 into 0.4 into 0.4 into 1 minus 2 into 0.22 into 0.075 into 1 equals 0.32 minus 0.034 equals 0.286 meter cube. As per the previous video number 13, a supply of plain concrete for 1 cubic meter and 2.5% of the wastage for the cost is to be added equals 280 cutter real per meter cube plus 2.5% wastage equals 287 cutter real. The cost of labor for laying 20 meter cube of concrete is 1 day of mason and 1 day of unskilled labor. Therefore, the cost of laying 1 cubic meter of concrete equals 15 cutter real per hour into 8 hours plus 8 cutter real per hour into 8 hours. That is cost of labor divided by 20 meter cube equals 9.2 cutter real per meter cube. Equipment high cost of poker vibrator 200 cutter real per day. Therefore, the higher cost per 1 cubic meter equals 200 cutter real divided by 20 meter cube equals 10 cutter real per meter cube. Therefore, the cost of plain concrete 1 meter cube equals 287 cutter real, that is cost of concrete plus 2.5% wastage plus 9.2 cutter real labor cost plus 10 cutter real, that is equipment high cost, formwork measured separately equals 306.2 cutter real. Therefore, the cost of plain concrete equals 0.826 meter cube into 306.2 cutter real equals 87.57 cutter real. Apply 1 primer coat and 2 coats of liquid bituminous waterproofing on the vertical side of the footing exposed to the earth equals 2 into 0.4 plus 0.4 into 2 into 1 equals 3.2 meter square. As per the previous video number 14, coverage for the liquid waterproofing membrane is 1 primer coat and 2 coats for 1 meter square required 1 liter of bitumen. The cost of 1 liter liquid waterproof is 2 kata real into 3.2 meter squares, that is area of footing exposed to the earth equal 6.4 kata real. 2 number skilled laborers can complete brush application 200 meter squares in 1 day. Includes surface preparation plus brush application plus protection. The cost of labor per meter square equal 2 into 10 kata real per hour into 8 divided by 200 meter squares equals 0.8 kata real. Therefore, the cost of the application of bitumen paint equals 6.4 kata real, that is bitumen cost, plus 0.8 kata real, that is labor cost, equals 7.2 kata real. Carpentry work. Hardwood treated timber post 225 by 75 mm equals 2 into 3.4 meter equals 6.8 meter into 100 kata reals. Rate per 1 meter length of hardwood treated timber equals 680 kata real. Hardwood treated timber rail 100 into 75 mm equals 4 into 2.475 meter equals 9.9 meter into 45 kata real, that is rate per 1 meter length of hardwood treated timber equals 445.5 kata real. 18 mm marine plywood board 1.2 meter by 2.4 meter equals 2 number into 120 kata real. Rate per 1 sheet of marine plywood board equals 240 kata real. 5 mm diameter screws 100 mm long to fix the rail to post equals 8 numbers into 1 kata real. Rate per 1 number screw equals 8 kata real. 4 mm diameter screws 50 mm long at 300 mm centers equals 34 number into 0.5 kata real, that is rate per 1 number screw equals 17 kata reals. Allow for painting or any logo as required by the client as per subcontractor quote. Therefore, the total cost of the hoarding equals A divided by B and multiplied by C, where A equals cost of hoarding length, that is 1702.89 kata real. B length of hoarding 2.4 meter. C total length of hoarding equal 247 meters. A 26.15, that is excavation cost, plus 26.37, that is backfilling cost, plus 7.86, that is carting away surplus excavation cost, plus 0.22 kata real, that is compaction of backfilling cost, plus 157.02, that is formwork cost, plus 87.57 kata real, that is plain concrete cost, plus 7.2 kata real, that is bitumen paint cost, plus 680 plus 445 plus 5 plus 240 plus 840 plus 17, that is carpentry cost, equals 1702.89 kata real. B equals 2.4 meter. C equals 247 meter. Then 1702.89 divided by 2.4 multiplied by 247 equals 174,250.176 kata real. Thank you. Please wait for my next video for the continuation of the discussion on the preliminary works, pricing and other related schedules. I would be pleased if you are motivated by the desire to explore the value of the fields necessary that will contribute to the construction industry. Please refer to the description box below for the written description of this video clip. With a positive attitude and a growth mindset, keep moving forward and explore the field. I will see you in the next video. If you are inspired and learned something in this video, please click like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button to notify my upcoming videos and share with others too.